Gear Up Garage, the Ride Revolution proudly presents an exploration into one of the most ambitious concepts of modern military and technological engineering, the Temur project. This machine represents the fusion of futuristic design, raw power, and strategic innovation that is redefining the battlefield of tomorrow. The Temur is envisioned as a next-generation mobile missile platform that combines mobility, resilience, and cutting-edge technology. Unlike traditional launch systems that are bulky and difficult to reposition, the Temur has been designed with speed and adaptability in mind. Its primary goal is to create a balance between heavy firepower and rapid deployment capabilities. Built on an 8x8 heavy-duty chassis, the Temur boasts massive off-road tires capable of conquering diverse terrains. The armored cabin is not only sleek and futuristic but also optimized for crew protection. With sharp angles, reinforced plating, and a desert-ready paint scheme, the vehicle conveys both intimidation and practicality. Every design element points towards survivability in modern conflicts. The centerpiece of the Temur lies in its missile system. Multiple launch tubes are mounted on the back, allowing for rapid deployment of guided rockets capable of long-range precision strikes. The system can be adapted for both defensive and offensive missions, offering flexibility against airborne threats as well as ground targets. This modular approach makes the Temur a versatile tool in modern warfare. What separates the Temur from older missile carriers is its unmatched mobility. Powered by a high-torque engine and equipped with advanced suspension systems, it can maneuver through deserts, forests, and mountainous terrains with surprising agility. Integrated GPS, radar systems, and digital communication networks ensure that the crew remains connected and responsive during missions. The fusion of mobility with intelligence transforms the Temur into more than just a launcher, it becomes a strategic asset. The Temur is more than a concept vehicle, it symbolizes the direction of future military technology. Nations are seeking platforms that combine rapid deployment, protection, and devastating firepower. The Temur embodies these principles, standing as a vision of what tomorrow's battlefield machines might look like. As we look toward the horizon of defense innovation, the Temur stands out as a bold step into the future. It demonstrates how engineering and imagination can converge to create machines of immense capability. Whether or not it reaches mass production, the Temur will remain a source of inspiration for designers, strategists, and enthusiasts worldwide. Gear Up Garage, the Ride Revolution will continue to bring you insights into the technologies shaping tomorrow. The Temur is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of power, mobility, and the endless pursuit of innovation.